Is your business ready for the festive rush? As the holidays approach, keeping your workspace spotless isn't just about appearances. It's about creating an environment where both customers and employees feel their best. A clean and organized business can boost productivity, attract more clients, and set the stage for a successful season. Before we continue, make sure to like this video, subscribe to FastKlean, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our expert cleaning tips for your business. Start by focusing on high-traffic areas like entrances, lobbies, and corridors. These are the first places customers see. Make sure they shine. Sweep and mop floors regularly, especially when the weather brings in mud or snow. And don't forget to sanitize door handles, reception counters, and other frequently touched surfaces. Next, give restrooms and break rooms a deep clean. These spaces see extra use during the busy season. So disinfect all surfaces thoroughly and keep supplies like soap and paper towels well stocked. Clean out fridges, wipe down appliances, and encourage staff to maintain cleanliness. Don't underestimate the power of clean windows. Sparkling glass lets in natural light and makes your business look more professional and inviting. Whether you handle it in-house or hire professionals, clean windows inside and out before the holiday crowds arrive. Your floors and carpets will take the most wear during this season. Schedule a deep clean to remove built-up dirt and odors, and use mats near entrances to trap debris before it spreads. Regular maintenance will keep your flooring in top condition and extend its life. A tidy workspace can dramatically improve morale and productivity. Encourage your team to declutter desks, keep shared spaces neat, and empty bins regularly. A clean office fosters focus, reduces stress, and helps everyone stay efficient during the busy period. And of course, holiday decorations add warmth and cheer. Just be sure they're dust-free, tidy, and don't block walkways or work areas. A few thoughtful touches can make your space festive without feeling crowded. Finally, once the holidays end, plan a post-season deep clean. Removing decorations, tidying after parties, and resetting the workspace ensures you start the new year fresh and organized. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to FastKlean, and share your own holiday cleaning tips in the comments. We'd love to hear how you keep your business sparkling through the festive season.